Hi everyone. I am here with one Accenture coding question that was given on 14th September 2023. This problem is simple one only. Anagram checker. So as per the problem statement, you will be given two strings str1 and str2, and you need to write a function to check if str1 and str2 are anagrams of each other. What is an anagram? Anagrams are words and phrases formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase, typically using all the original characters exactly once. That means the number of characters and their number of appearances of one string must match with number of characters and number of appearances of those characters in second string. Then only we can say those two are anagrams. For example, CAT, ACT. We should assume that both are lowercase letters. If you consider capital C here and small c here, they may become different. Why? Because their ASCII codes are different. Let us assume both are, both strings are in lowercase. CAT, ACT. You see, C is here in first string. Let us assume this as S1 and this as S2. C is appearing in second string. A is here, A is here, T is here, T is here. If you observe, only the order of these letters is different, and the letters that are there in first string are same as second string, and their number of appearances, that means number of occurrences, is also same. That means C appears for one time in first string, C appears for one time in second string, A one time, A one time, T one time, T one time. Suppose if I add one more character, ACTT, will they be anagrams to each other? No, they are not anagrams. Why? Because T in first string is appearing for only one time. T in second string are appearing for two times. So the number of occurrences are different, though the characters are same. In such case also we should say that they are not anagrams. So that is the logic here. Then your function should return yes if str1 and str2 are anagrams and no otherwise. Okay. Next, what is the input? Two strings str1 and str2 where the length of each string is at most 10 power 5. This is my concern here. 10 power 5 means 1 lakh. If the string size is 1 lakh, what kind of solution you are going to write? As this 1 lakh is a bigger number, we should aim at efficient solution. So if it is possible to reduce the time complexity, we must attempt towards that. That is the concern here. Next, output. Print yes if str1 and str2 are anagrams, or print no. No, if str1 and str2 are not anagrams. Okay. Next, we have to write a function. That is the expectation. Now, I will consider direct approach. I am writing solution in Python. This is direct approach, direct method. Okay. So according to this direct method, I will be considering sorted function. So we cannot apply sort on strings. We cannot apply sort method on strings. The reason for this is strings are immutable. What does this sort do? It will take an object and perform sorting and store the result back in the object. So that cannot be possible with respect to strings. So sort cannot be used. Instead, what we can use is sorted S1. So that means it will return another string, that is sorted. This will also give another string, that is sorted. Okay, so if both these are matching, if you perform sorting, what is the logic here? For example, you take S1 equal to ACT, S2 equal to CAT. If you perform sorting, both will become ACT, ACT. Now this comparison is quite easy. If they are same after sorting, then no doubt they are anagrams, otherwise no. So this is one small function we have written. As a sorted function is available in Python, we are writing this. Next, S1 equal to input. So we will take S1 from the user. This is driver code actually. From here it is driver code. S2 is read from the user, and print are anagrams S1, S2. If they are anagrams, what is the result of this function? It will give yes. If they are not anagrams, it will give no. So that will be printed as it is. Okay. This is the direct approach. Then what is the point here? If you are using sorted function, built-in sorted function, then the time complexity of this code will be big O of n log n. So this is the time complexity of sort or sorted methods of Python. N log n, which is greater than n only. Okay. As the input size in the constraint they have given, like the input size can go up to 10 power 5. So in such cases we can attempt to reduce the time complexity. Okay. So I will try to bring down this big O of n log n to big O of n. So by using what method? So we have one powerful data type in Python, that is dictionary. So I am going to apply dictionaries to bring down the time complexity from n log n to n. So this is I can call this as an efficient method over the previous one. Then I am writing one function R anagrams S1, S2. Two dictionaries are created. How to create dictionary? With the help of empty curly brackets. Okay. There are other methods to create dictionary also. Here let us consider creation of dictionary by empty these curly brackets. For I in S1, take each and every character from S1. If that I is not in D1, in dictionary initially it will not be there in D1, then make its value to 1. So this is the quite common logic that we can use when we need to store the number of occurrences of an element in the dictionary. Else, what does this else mean? If I is in D1, then what is to be done? D1 of I equal to D1 I plus 1. If it is already there, increment its number of occurrences by 1. That is the logic. So this is to be done for each and every character of S1. And the occurrences of those characters is stored in D1. Okay. Next, repeat the same process for second string. I in S2. If I not in D2, D2 of I equal to 1, else D2 of I equal to D2 of I plus 1. Then, if both the dictionaries are same, so here, how does this comparison between dictionaries happen? It will not look for order of the elements, it will look for keys and their values. If both are same, if the key, they can appear in any order, if keys and values in first dictionary are same as keys and values in second dictionary, we can say that they are equal. So if they are equal, then return yes, otherwise no. This is the logic. So we are storing them in a dictionary. We are storing the characters and their occurrences of S1 and S2 in D1 and D2. Then we are comparing D1 with D2. So if the dictionaries are same, definitely it will be an anagram, otherwise no. The driver code is so simple. Read S1, read S2, call the function and print the result of that function. Okay. So I hope you understood the logic presented here. Very simple. First, I will be applying very straightforward approach using sorted function, as the time complexity will be higher and we need to deal with larger input size. Then I am suggesting one alternative method, which I call it like efficient method using dictionaries. So the approach here is create dictionaries and then store the characters and their occurrences in dictionaries. Finally, compare two dictionaries. If they are same, it is the strings are anagrams, otherwise no. Okay. Now let us try to run this code and give different inputs. So this is first method, direct method. I have already checked this one. One string is ACT, one string is CATT. So it will give the result no. Let me run this one. Meet team. I will give second string as team. Both are anagrams. Only the order of letters is changed. Okay, we must get yes. Very good. Let me run with another one. CAT TACC. ACCT. Okay, let it be ACC. The number of characters are same, but the characters and their appearances is different. T1 is appeared for one time in first string. It is not there in second. C appeared for one time. It is appearing for two times in second string. So obviously it is no. Okay. Next, let me run this efficient version of the same program. Here we are creating dictionaries as I explained earlier. When I explain it again, I guess. Let me run this code. Let us see whether it works or not. I will give the same team and meet. Yes, it is working fine. Let me give another input. ACT, act, ACTT. Are they same? No, they are not anagrams of each other. Okay, so I hope you understood this logic. Though the problem is simple, instead of using direct approach, try to attempt the efficient one. So my passion towards this coding is always I will try to improve the existing logic, and I will try to reduce the time complexity as much as possible by following alternative approaches. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. If you liked the content, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and very importantly, please comment. And I have also observed that many people are skipping some portion of the video and then watching. So for coding, some little bit of focus and attention is required. Try not to skip and watch the full video to understand the concept. So that is my kind request to you. Thank you.